guys, Yegi here. Thanks for watching and thanks for coming back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I really enjoy educating and sharing my knowledge and love for lashes. Today I want to go over another way of fanning out the Mega Volume lashes. I want to really zoom in on that and just separately fan out the Mega Volume lashes, or the Yegi Mega Volume lashes, because that's what's really popular. That's what people love. Those are the most questions I've been getting asked in the previous videos when I'm doing it on a person and zooming in and trying to record while I'm working. I feel like it doesn't show as well, or it doesn't demonstrate them, or it doesn't give them the credit that they deserve of how easy and nicely they fan out. Okay, so in this video it'll be short and sweet, and you'll just basically see exactly how they fan out and how easy it is compared to regular mink lashes or any other type of volume lashes. And like I said, we're excited. We always sell out. They're always on pre-order. I'm so sorry if you guys have been waiting to get some. We had a little delay with our delivery and our factory. There was a technical issue and we were working on improving them even more based on the feedback we got. So thank you for your patience, but we are increasing the volume of how much is available every month to try to have them always available for you guys. But again, more and more people are learning about them. We're getting more and more requests, so they are limited and they are a hot item. So I would say check back beginning of each month. That's when we restock, and we'll try to communicate more on our social media at Yegi Lashes on Instagram of when they're available. So please follow us and give us your feedback and let us know what you think. We literally pay attention and listen to everything you say, and we work from there and we improve it. For example, the mixed trays, we only had them, I believe, they started from 9 to 14, or it was 8 through 13, I forgot now. But then with a lot of requests, everybody wanted larger sizes, so now we only have two options. We have them from let me remember what I did this time. Available from 10 until 15 millimeters for each curl, and also from 12 to 17, since people really like the longer sizes better. So we really take your feedback into consideration. Leave a comment, text us, call us. All our information will be linked below. And yeah, enjoy doing lashes, and let us know if you have any questions in specific of how to use these lashes, any lashes, tips on applying, taking care of them for your clients if you're new at it, and we'll be more than happy to help. We just want to really share the love for lashes. And yeah, okay, so let me get into the video. So let's go there. Sorry, not leaving quite yet. So in the video you will see that with the Mega Lashes you can choose how many you want in each fan. You can do 2D, you can do 4D, you can do up to 10 in each fan. Since they are really thin lashes and very light, you can get them nice and full and fluffy for your clients and really get that full, wispy, pretty, dark look. Okay, here we go. This is what I meant about having them in different thicknesses. So you can see that I'm showing you even using a straight tweezer to fan them out, so you can really see how easy it is to fan them out compared to any mink or regular lashes that are not bonded at the base. So the way they're bonded at the base, they're in 2 layers, and I guess the engineering of it, what it allows is, as you're pinching to fan it out, it pushes each other at the base, so they fan out nice and easy, and you don't have to do as much work and spend as much time to fan it out. Again, best thing about it is it saves you lots of time and money when you're working with clients, and it looks really dark, full, and fluffy.
One negative side I do want to say, sometimes when you are fanning them out, because the base is attached, it can kind of try to close back again, but it is your job to try to really push them out and glue it immediately to help them stay fanned out just like so.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate you. Have an awesome day or night or weekend or life. Yeah, just be awesome, because we love awesome people and we want to make your life awesome. So I'm also going to try to do some motivational videos, because that's really my passion, to teach and motivate people and help other people grow. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe. Help me help you. Ask questions and any tips I can give you, even in regards to business, because that's also what my degrees are in. I have my master's in business and accounting, and I have experience with cosmetology over 10 years now, and eyelashes about 8 or 8.5 years. I lose track. So let me know what I can help you with. I'm more than happy to share. And then if you guys can help me with anything, I always appreciate it. I love to learn, and I love to have feedback, and I love to learn new things. There's always so much to learn. So let's help each other out, be better. Thank you, and have an awesome everything. Bye. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.